Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of your ACER Chromebook Spin 713. So the manufacturing date of your Chromebook is actually shown on the label on the back side of your device. So if you look right here, you will find MFG date standing for manufacturing date. And as you can see, for me, it's 28th of March 2021. So that's the date when this laptop was manufactured. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.